Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation. It's good to see you all. And let us introduce ourselves. I'm Yudhistira, and on the right side is Ariel, and my left side is Alfarizy. In this opportunity, I would like to present you about Macintosh operating system in case of information search and analysis skills. Currently, I would like to present what is Macintosh operating system and operating system in general. Macintosh operating system. But before we get into deep into Macintosh operating system, we have to know what is operating system in general. So basically, Macintosh operating system is an operating system is software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common service for computer programs. In simple language, it can be said that OS is a piece of software that is needed to run the programs on a computer or in mobile device. The operating system is an essential component of the system software in a computer system. In Macintosh operating system will explained by my friend Alfarizy.
Hello, my name is Alfarizy from Group A. I want to explain about Macintosh or macOS. And before this, I want to tell you about there are various systems or OS in today's world. And first, macOS by Apple. And second, Windows by Microsoft. Third, Android by Google. And fourth, Linux by Unity. And next, that's macOS. macOS is created by Steve Jobs. And macOS is a closed source operating system developed by Apple Inc. So it was created specifically for Macintosh computers. Is not compatible with IBM business. And this describe or explain about macOS. The macOS is a series of graphical user interface-based operating system developed by Apple Inc. for their Macintosh Live computer system. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh PC with Macintosh operating system and A2C, etc. And this first OS. The first OS was introduced by Apple's Spencer when Steve Jobs was the first successful personal feature most graphical user interface or the macOS could be easily distinguished from other operating systems because it was only OS with full GUI. This release could only run one program at a time, which could later run multiple programs. That's first macOS by created by Steve Jobs. That's in 1984. And this is a various versions of macOS. There are so many of version of macOS. macOS 10, server 1.0, for Rhapsody, macOS 10 public beta, Kodiak, macOS 10, 10.0 for Cheetah, and there's so many lot of versions of macOS. After we see all of version of macOS, let me describe in detail some of version of macOS. The first, macOS 10 Cheetah. macOS 10 version 10.0, codename Cheetah, is the first major release of After we see all of version of macOS, let me describe in detail some of version of macOS. The first, macOS 10 Cheetah. macOS 10 version 10.0, codename Cheetah, is the first major release of macOS 10, Apple's desktop and server operating system. macOS V10 was released on March 24, 2001 for a price of 129 US dollar. It was the successor of the Mac OS 10 public beta and the predecessor of Mac OS 10 10.1. Next, Mac OS 10 Leopard. Mac OS 10 Leopard version 10.5 is the sixth major release of Mac OS 10, Apple desktop and server operating system for Macintosh computer. Apple's advertised that Mac OS 10 Leopard has 300 plus new features, including iChat, dashboard, enhancement, dictionary, could now search Wikipedia, etc. The last one, OS 10 Yosemite. OS 10 Yosemite is the upcoming 11 major release of OS 10 Apple Inc. desktop and server operating system for Macintosh computer. Yosemite introduced a major revision to the operating system user interface design with inspiration from iOS 7, while still maintaining the OS 10 look and feel. And this is advantage and disadvantage if you use macOS. The advantage is simple but powerful user interface, uh, and then fewer virus and other security issues. 3. Seamless integration between OS and hardware. 4. Comes preloaded with productivity apps. 5. Effective and unparalleled multitasking feature. And the last one, integration with other Apple product. And this is the disadvantage if you use macOS. Mac computer are considerably expensive. 2. Inflexible when it comes to hardware upgrade. 3. Lack of game title and advanced gaming experience. And 4. App ecosystem is still last. And the last one, limit in installation application program.
So thank you to all my friends. And then from our presentation, we can conclude that Apple OS X is very stable and refined operating system. Apple OS X on Unix and has had years of refinement. It has several security features that prevent unwanted application from exploiting any of its weaknesses. Currently, OS X has less than 10% of the market share for computers. OS X benefits from this because there are very few hackers and malware designed to attack the system. So that we should do Mac OS properly. And thank you very much for your attention and goodbye.